FIFA has changed the World Cup again. Not just the format, the actual rules too. And some of these changes could decide matches. The biggest change is obvious. The World Cup now has 48 teams instead of 32. That means 12 groups of 4 teams. The top 2 teams from each group go through, plus the 8 best third-place teams. This sounds simple. It is not. A team can now survive the group stage without finishing in the top 2. Then comes the new round of 32. In previous World Cups, the knockouts started with the round of 16. Now there is an extra knockout round, so the team that wins the World Cup must survive 8 matches instead of 7. Let that sink in. Here is where it gets interesting. FIFA is cracking down on time wasting. Players being substituted now have just 10 seconds to leave the pitch. Take too long, and your replacement has to wait before entering. Suddenly, those slow walks to the sideline are a lot riskier. Throw-ins and goal kicks are also under pressure. Referees can use a 5-second countdown. Waste time and possession can be given to the other team. Whether you like it or not, football is being pushed to move faster. VAR is getting more power too. It can now step in for more situations, including some corner kick decisions, mistaken identity cases, in certain incidents before set pieces. In theory, fewer mistakes. In practice, probably more arguments on social media. There are also tougher discipline rules. Players covering their mouths during confrontations or leaving the field to protest decisions can face red cards. FIFA wants more transparency and less chaos. So, the 2026 World Cup is bigger, longer, faster, and stricter than any World Cup before it. More teams, more matches, more drama. And if these new rules work, you may never watch football the same way again. Subscribe for more football explained in minutes. You are welcome.